Welcome to another Xcluder product installation video. I'm Jeremy, the National Technical Manager for Xcluder. We're going to show you how to install Xcluder Vertical Astragals and door sweeps on a double door. For more detailed information on how to install our Xcluder door sweeps, watch our door sweep installation video on our website, buyxcluder.com, or our Xcluder YouTube channel on YouTube. When installing Xcluder's vertical astragals and door sweeps to the same door, you will install the Xcluder door sweeps first, followed by the vertical astragal seals. To begin installation of the door sweep, install the end cap to the leading edge of the door sweep. Place the door sweep onto the door with the leading edge of the door sweep splitting the gap between the two doors evenly. Mark the door sweep on the hinge side. This is where you will cut the door sweep to size. Install second end cap and install the door sweep using 1/16 inch shims and the included self-tapping screws. Finish the installation of the door sweep by attaching the locking screws, locking your door sweep adjustments in place. To install the second door sweep, follow the same steps as the first door sweep. When the doors are closed, the end caps of each door sweep in the middle of the door should touch. This will seal the gap between the door sweeps and doors. Make any adjustments as needed. Next, install the vertical astragal seals. To begin, install the end cap on the bottom of the vertical astragal. Place the vertical astragal on top of the installed door sweep. The vertical astragal can be placed on top of the door sweep flange or the housing unit of the door sweep. Depending on the door hardware, you might have to make modifications to the vertical astragal to fit around the hardware. We do not recommend removing door hardware. Mark where the vertical astragal needs to be cut, notched, and modified to fit around the door hardware. With the vertical astragal in place, make sure the bulb seal is even with the end of the door sweep, splitting the gap between the two doors evenly. Pro tip: to mark the placement of the vertical astragal, use painter's tape or a clamp. Secure the vertical astragal to the door with the provided self-tapping screws. Pro tip: secure the top and bottom slots of the vertical astragal first when installing the vertical astragals. You will have less screws to adjust if adjustments are needed. Once the vertical astragal is installed, test both doors. Pro tip: if the flap of the vertical astragal prevents the door from closing, slide the bulb seal out and reverse the seal. This can be done on all or some of the vertical astragals as a modification during installation. Install the second vertical astragal on the same door. Place the vertical astragal onto the installed vertical astragal. Mark and cut the vertical astragal to size needed. The vertical astragal can extend onto the door header by as much as 1/4 inch if needed. Install the end cap on the top end of the vertical astragal. Install the vertical astragal following the same steps as before. You will follow the same installation procedures when installing the vertical astragals on the opposite door. After installing the first vertical astragal on the opposite door, examine the gap between the two bulb seals, not the flaps of the vertical astragals. The gap should not exceed 1/8 of an inch. The flaps do not have any rodent-proofing capabilities. They reduce or eliminate light only. Test the doors to make sure they operate correctly. If the doors do not close, flip the seals as instructed in the pro tip before. Make the necessary adjustments as needed. Continue to install the final vertical astragal following the same installation procedures as before. Installation of your Xcluder door sweeps and vertical astragals on a double door is complete. For more information, visit our Xcluder website at buyxcluder.com or our Xcluder YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.